Armstrong connector trail next. Oh, the way in is a little bit sketchy. Looks like a lot of people have fallen. I'll try it from up there, see if I can clear it. All right. Nope. I don't have momentum. I need momentum. Yeah. Cleared. A little bit of cheating, but I cleared it. Alright, let's try the other one. Oh, I almost cleared it. That's good enough for me. Yeah. Leaning the bike. Yeah. Whew. Those little features make the trail 100% better. Looks like we're gonna pick up some speed. Ah, I missed that one. I wasn't too sure about the exit. I gotta pause here, enjoy the view. Ah, pretty tight for my shoulder. A little squirrel following the trail. Oh, I can see those tire lines at the edge of the trail. That's where I don't want to be at. Nice. You can roll that one. Again, wasn't too sure about the exit. Whew. Yeah. This one's fun. This one actually keeps you dropping altitude. But I'm gonna run my brakes because I don't know where it's gonna take me. I just went for that one. It was a drop off. Woo! Nice. Good thing I have speed. Speed and the Capra. With the Giant, I would have got it over the handlebars. Alright, hopefully the trail didn't split up there. Or actually, it does split up there. So you can take that rock. Yeah, I'm gonna take that rock. Nice. Just don't pick up too much speed. Nothing too bad. Ho ho! You're sorry you got a rut. Yeah. Oh, drop off at the end. Like the other rock. The other one I thought was gonna be a roller. I'm like, oh, looks full of travel, maybe just a roller. And nope, surprise, drop off. All right, Armstrong connector trail. That's fun. Pretty Corral trail coming up. I would do that one. It's just I don't like the approach because you got to dip and then up, and that could mess up your weight. You gotta know what you're doing. Maybe next year or another time. This one is Black Diamond. Good berms again. Yeah. Little drop off rock. Oh, drop off. Got a pedal strike. Oh. Woo. Woo. See what I mean? It just throws your weight. A little dip. If you just lose your weight, that's it. Again. Nothing too crazy. use my brakes on a turn. Not good. Straightening me up. Yeah. You can roll this. Woo. Nice. I saw the exit on that one, so I'm taking it. Oh. I was so excited. I broke. I used my brakes late. Oh, nice. Oh no, climb. Right, not to lower Corral Trail. And this one's now a blue trail. But that was fun. Next time I know where stuff is and I can do it faster. Last trip, the snow summer really helped in those jumps. Yeah. Wow, this is great. Nice. Now it's a good run. I think I'm at the exit. That was day one of 2 days mountain biking here in South Lake Tahoe. Thank you, Feli, for shadowing.
Put on your seatbelt.
Shadowing me. Because I'm still tired from Big Bear. Careful. And that made me enjoy the trail a little bit better. Next trail is the Mr. Toad's wild ride tomorrow. Alright. Gotta maintain speed and I'll be fine.